These instruments were constructed in order to be able to change the pitch and frequency. This is done through changing the tension, the thickness, or the length. This is Lauren playing the pipe. This is Nivy playing the maracas.
There are two major types of waves, transverse waves and compressional waves. Transverse waves are waves in which the motion of the medium is perpendicular to the motion of the wave, and compressional is a wave in which the motion of the medium is parallel to the direction of the wave.
Light waves are transverse and sound waves are compressional.
A crest is the highest point of displacement of a wave.
A trough is the lowest point of the displacement of a wave.
An amplitude is the height of the wave crest. Period is the time required to complete one cycle of a wave.
You can find frequency by 1 over period.
A wave is a transfer of energy with no net transfer of mass.
The speed of the wave is due to their frequency. A higher frequency means a higher speed of the wave.
Wavelength and frequency are inversely related. The difference between sound and light waves is sound waves are mechanical and light waves are not, because sound waves require a medium to travel through. The lengths of shadows can change due to the angle of the light source.
Shadows have an umbra which gets no light and a penumbra which gets partial light.
During our investigation in class, we used a puppet to show that light travels in a straight line.
Light waves can be reflected off of a mirror. This can be supported through the law of reflection.
It states that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection.
The light ray that strikes the surface of the mirror is called the incident ray, and the ray that is reflected is called the reflected ray.
There can be convex or concave mirrors.
Concave mirrors are used by dentists to get a better view of their patient's teeth.
Convex mirrors are used in store for security purposes.
The wavelength of a wave can be measured from crest to crest or trough to trough.
Jump roping is a transverse wave because you can see the crest and trough.
When light waves travel through a mirror, they can create two different types of images, a virtual image or a real image.
A real image can project on a screen, a virtual image cannot.
Convex mirrors only create virtual images, while concave mirrors can create both.
Refraction occurs when light passes from one transparent medium to another. Diffraction of waves occur when the sound waves pass through an opening.
There could also be lenses that are concave or convex.
In this situation, a concave lens can only produce virtual images, while a convex lens can create both types.
The focal point of a convex lens is the place where the light rays approach the lens parallel to the principal axis that converges. The focal point of a concave lens is the place from which the rays approach the lens parallel to the principal axis where they diverge.
A convex lens is thicker in the center.
And a concave is thicker on the edges.
This is our Chapter 5 Chapter Challenge voiceover. Thanks for watching.